welcome back to my channel. So today I have my new Stitch Fix, and I will be honest with you. I had a Stitch Fix in between the last one that I posted and this one. That one I chose absolutely nothing from the fix. There goes my dog. You'll be hearing my dog in the background. But it was supposed to be an outfit for my in-laws' 50th wedding anniversary, and I liked nothing that was in that fix. So I ended up sending it all back, and I actually picked a dress from Anthropologie, the local store to me. They helped me style the dress, and it actually worked perfectly. But that said, this is my new fix, and I actually picked some of the items out of the fix preview. If you don't know about Stitch Fix, let me just get to it very quickly. Stitch Fix is a subscription style service. You fill out a style profile for the first time, and when you fill out a profile, you will get matched with the stylist who will pick out some items for you. I've been hearing some people saying they're getting more than 5. Originally, I will tell you, I have only gotten usually 5, like up to 5 that I can pick. You get a whole bunch of items, but I've only been able to pick up to 5. This time out, looking at my list, I think I picked 3 of the items, and 2 were added afterwards. Also, when you fill out that first profile information and you get styled, your first styling fee, if you use my link in the comments, will be waived if you are a first-time Stitch Fix user. And you'll also get up to $50 to shop your fix for the first time. That said, I have a new fix, and I want to read my note. This box came on a Sunday, and it was a special delivery. I wasn't home, and I was told it was a special delivery truck that delivered it. But any returns will go back in a mailer envelope to the United States Post Office. I usually just leave it either for my postman to take, or I drop it in the drop box pretty quickly. But I was styled today by Jaren, and here's what she had to say. She said, "Happy Fix Day. How did the party for your in-laws go? I'm sorry that the dresses didn't end up being the perfect option for the celebration, but I have no doubt you look gorgeous and stylish. You made great selections in your fix preview this time around. I love that you're up for trying new and trendy silhouettes in denim. And I'm seriously going to be on pins and needles waiting to hear how you feel and like the barrel jean style from PISTOLA. This brand is known for its high quality denim and amazing variety, so be sure to check them out in freestyle. Since you're looking for more versatility in outerwear, I grabbed the Free People Movement Vest, so FP Movement Vest. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to track down black, but the off-white can easily be dressed up or down and paired with lots of colors in your closet. Best part, it's Free People." Which I guess she knows I really like Free People, because yes, I've been shopping a lot at Free People in the last couple of months. That said, I'm gonna get right into this try on. I have a bag and I have that vest. So I think I'm just gonna throw the vest on what I have on right now and then show you the other items after that. So I'll be right back. Okay, as promised, I'm back and I have the vest on. And I also have the tote, and I'm going to show you that up close and personal. But the vest is Free People Movement by Free People, and it gets cut off here. So let me grab my phone. Apologies for that. I'm just seeing it was cut off of the sheet that they sent me, but I can look in the app and give you the actual name. So let me just grab that. Okay. Just taking a moment to load, sorry. Okay, this is the Scout It Out Fleece Vest, and it's an extra small, $98 by Free People, and it's off-white. And when I get to the bag is by Urban Expressions. It's the Breakaway Puffer Tote in gray, $64. So, I take my glasses off. Let's look at the tote first, and then I'll get to the vest. I've been seeing this style everywhere, this like checkered puffer And it's cute. I don't always use totes, but I think like if I needed to bring some extra stuff somewhere, I like that it's gray and it's versatile. It has a pocket in the front that zips. Hang on, the zipper. It does have zipper closure and it's sealed up here, and I'm not going to pull that apart yet until I decide if I'm keeping it. Sorry, but I want to show you. It's pretty roomy and inside, I don't know if you can see, it's kind of hard to, but yeah. It has like a mesh smaller zippered compartment inside. And zip that back up. And then I believe it has, oh, I think you can even put, it has, for like smaller items, it has like a Velcroed section. And then it also has this little bag that you can, that's attached, and you can put like keys or, you know, other items that you don't want to lose inside the bag. So it's definitely something that I've been toying with, getting a bag like this, so I think it's cute. I mean, I'll have to see. It depends on what I'm keeping in this fix, but this I actually chose. It was in my preview and I left it there. Now for the vest. So I've been really crushing Free People. I have it open, but it does have snaps, so let's do some of the snaps just so you can see the fit of it. I don't want to snap it all the way up, but you could. It has pockets, and it's kind of furry, but it also has this like almost like waterproof detail to it. The side also opened, but it has these cute little like ties to like cinch it in more. So, and it has it on both sides. There's another one on this side. So this is the front. This is the back. I mean, it is cute. I have to look back at the footage, and I'd have to see how else I would wear it. Like I said, I just threw it over what I was wearing right now, just to give you an idea of what it looked like. But yeah, so, and sorry about that, but my husband's upstairs and he's doing something and he must have dropped something. So when I take this off, I'm going to go check that, but I'll be back shortly. Okay, I'm back. Crisis averted. Nobody was hurt, nothing was broken, but here I am in the next item in this fix, and this is a cardigan. It's by Steve Madden Apparel. It is the Beckie cardigan. It is in the color brown, size extra small, $79. So let's take a look at it. This is something that was added for me, but I think it's adorable. And I just left my jeans, and I have a Free People bodysuit, an intimately bodysuit on, so I just left this on with it for now. Yeah, it is cute, and to me, this is something that I would definitely wear. Like, I'm all about layering in the fall, so I could see myself wearing this over my bodysuits. Nice fit. Little long in the sleeve. I would probably cuff it. That's just me. So that I could wear my jewelry and not have an issue. But yeah, I mean, here's the front. Here's the back. Let me come closer so you can see the color. Nice rich brown color, chocolate brown. Has didn't realize it had that. Has button detail, V-neck. It's just cute. Yeah, I like this. I mean, you know, I do have cardigans, but I don't have anything in this specific dark brown. I have lighter browns. I have black. I even have white. I have purple too, actually, and hot pink. But I don't have brown, so yeah, liking this. I'll look back at the video and the try on, but I do like it. Anyways, I have a pair of jeans and a t-shirt to try on. So hang on and I'll come back. Okay, I'm back. And as promised, I have the last two items on from the fix. And on top, and I will also pan down so you can see the jeans that were sent to me. But on top, this is by FP Movement by Free People. Cut off. Free People seems to get cut off. Their names are a little larger, so hang on a sec. So this is, again, FP Movement by Free People, Inspire Cotton Crop Tee, size extra small, $38. And on the bottom, when I back up, these are the PISTOLA Ellie high-rise arched leg jean, color black, size 2, $178. So the jeans are the most expensive. The t-shirt is the least expensive. So $178 and $38. That's the range. Let me show you. So this is just a plain white t-shirt. It is cropped. I have it tucked. I have it front tucked. The length of it is the same in the front as it is in the back. It's kind of boxy. I do like Free People, but I do already have a couple of white t-shirts. So I'm not 100% sure I need this, but I'm kind of liking this fix. So it's Stitch Fix math. If I were to keep all, then maybe. All that to say that my favorite style of jeans right now this fall is the barrel leg. And I'm going to come down closer so you can see it, but I'm showing you the full outfit. These jeans fit perfectly. No complaint. So here's the front and here's the back. My favorite right now, I have a pair of regular denim and it's by Mother Barrel. I was looking for black, so this is kind of a perfect addition to my wardrobe, but I don't know. Price-wise, I mean, I spent a good amount on the Mother jeans, but they were on sale for the Nordstrom anniversary sale. But these are fitting really nice. So I'm gonna pan down. Okay, so here are the jeans pan down. Like I said, I'm liking these. Oh, and on my feet are the Birkenstock Boston Clog. I have these in this like taupey gray color, and I also have them in a chocolate, not even a chocolate, like a caramel suede color as well. Love these. They are so comfortable right now, and they are on trend. So, not gonna lie, I'm living in my Birks for the fall. That or sneakers. So, yeah. I mean, yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna pan up, do a quick recap. Okay, I'm back. What a fun try on. So what a difference from the fix I sent back that had absolutely nothing I wanted and I just let it all go and sent it back, to this one where I'm still wearing two of the items. So like I said, I do have a white t-shirt, but I'm gonna take a look at the Stitch Fix math. I also have a $20 credit, just so you know, in my account right now. Not much, but still something. But let me get my paperwork. And I have the bottom line pricing also on the phone because it's a little different. Yeah. I guess because this has sales tax, that's why. So, all 5 items, the stylist pick subtotal is $457. The buy all discount, if you buy everything in your fix, all 5 items, you get, it's $114.25 off, 25% off. The new order subtotal is $342.75. Minus the $20 credit comes to $322.75. Literally the credit pretty much pays for the sales tax. The sales tax is $21.76. So my order total, my full total on the phone with sales tax and the credit applied would be $344.51. It's kind of pricey, and I'm heading to Disney soon, but I don't know, I do like a lot of what's in here. I'm going to go back to the footage, but I do have my box here. Again, 2 of the items on. Like I said, I've been thinking about dipping into this trend. I don't really use big bags everywhere, but this is if I have to, like, you know, go somewhere, you know, and bring a couple extra things. This might be a good option. Just over there a second on my bench. The vest is really cute. I do want to see it in the footage. I will take a look, and you can let me know your thoughts, but I will be looking back at the footage. And like I said, I have on the t-shirt, the jeans. Oh, and I'm missing the cardigan. Hang on a second. Okay, sorry about that. I'd left the cardigan in my bedroom after I changed. So the cardigan too. Honestly, such a great fix. I kind of feel like like I said before, I'm gonna look back at this footage, but this definitely is my style. She did hit the mark on my style, no question about it. It really comes down to, what do I need? How much can I spend right now? Heading to Disney in about 10 days for a quick weekend trip with my husband and my kids. My daughter's 14th birthday is on November 23rd. She's having a party with her friends. Christmas is coming. I have bills, so can I swing this fix? We'll see. Also, I can keep in mind my girls are teenagers and they are dipping into my closet for my shoes because I have Uggs, sneakers. They're constantly borrowing my shoes, my sweatshirts, you name it. They're dipping into my closet, so it might not be that bad to have. If they would be wearing some of this, we could share and I could justify that cost. So all that to say, we'll see. But you've seen everything in this fix, and this try-on, so if you could help me out a little bit, I would really appreciate it. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for all your continued friendship and support. If you like this video, give me the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button below. And now I just want to say have a magical day, and bye for now.